Today, I'm going to be beating the medium/hard obby in rainforest tower. Let's go. It doesn't look too hard. Oh, yeah, okay, good. You don't die instantly. So, if you guys really want me to post more, just type it down in the comments. Nobody really watches my videos though, so all I want is to make you guys happy, but I don't think many people enjoy my videos, so I might not post as much. My dream is to get to 1,000 subs, but I don't know if it's possible. It's hard. My battery's getting low. It'll soon be my time to go. If you guys want me to keep posting, just all I want is 3 subscribers. That's all I want. If you guys want me to keep posting, if I get 1 extra subscriber and it's not my friends, I'll keep posting. Alright guys, I think we're almost done. Come on, we've got this. No. Oh, that saved me. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da 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 dee da. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my on. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than sunshine in my eyes. Yeah. You got those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want, kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you, yeah. Driving on the freeway tonight. I only got one thing on the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine. With you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sun, blasting our favorite tunes. Only got one thing on my mind. And there you go, guys. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Wee! I'm just gonna fall. Oh, there it is. Alright. Time to start posting, and so people are